just when we thought the AI video wars had settled down. And a deceptive calm had taken over the creative landscape. Everyone right now is obsessed with the hype surrounding 1.2.1 and VO3. And we all know that SORA is still lurking somewhere in the shadows. The current leaders are merely holding the seat warm for something bigger. But massive shift in power is about to take place right in front of us. This isn't just a version update. We are talking about native 4K, 60 FPS, and flawless continuity. And the specs are generational. This massive arsenal is about to drop directly into the Higgsfield ecosystem. But Kling 3.0 is about to drop on Higgsfield.
Welcome back to the Midnight Lab. I hope you guys enjoyed that little cinematic intro. I had to set the mood properly because, frankly, the news I'm about to drop deserves that level of hype. We are standing on the edge of another massive shift in the AI video landscape. While everyone has been distracted by the release of WAN 2.6 and the endless rumors about SORA, a sleeping giant has been quietly waking up. We have confirmed reports that Kling 3.0 is imminent. And the best part? It is launching directly inside the Higgsfield AI ecosystem. We aren't just talking about a small version update here, we are talking about specs, like 4K resolution and 60 FPS, that threaten to make our current generation tools look obsolete overnight. So today, we are going to break down exactly what is coming, why these rumors are changing the industry, and how you can get your account ready for the drop. Let's get into the details. If you haven't checked out Higgsfield AI lately, you are missing out on one of the most complete creative ecosystems available. Look at what they've added. We have Vibe Motion for stylized animation, the new Grok Imagine integration for ultra-fast generation, dedicated AI influencer workflows, and even specialized tools for swapping angles and poses. Scrolling down, check out the visual effects section. These aren't just generic filters, they are production-ready VFX templates. You can apply complex transitions and effects in a single click. And here in the Higgsfield apps section, you have tons of specialized utilities ready to run instantly. No complex setup required, but the real power is in the models. Higgsfield hosts the absolute best open source and proprietary models on the market. We have the incredible Nano Banana Pro for photorealism, Flux 1 Pro, and Seedream 4.5, and many others under one roof. For video, you have access to Kling 2.6, WAN 2.6, and their own Higgsfield Soul engine, Seedance 1.5 Pro, and many more on one platform. Moving to the tabs up top, the Edit section gives you powerful tools like Skin Enhancer and Face Swap. And under Character, you can train and maintain consistent actors for your projects. It's a complete studio. But as impressive as all of this is, there is one massive update that is about to overshadow everything else on this list. Something new is coming to the Video tab. Let's take a look at the official intro page for Kling 3.0. We are looking at the official pre-release page for Kling 3.0 on Higgsfield, and they are making a bold statement right at the top. This is the era of the AI director. It is listed as coming soon, but look at the core promise here. The Kling 3.0 model is designed to unify world-class 4K visuals, native audio, and multi-shot storyboarding into a single, seamless creative engine. Scrolling down, we see the four main pillars of this new engine. First, enhanced audio generation. This means model-generated audio is native, creating character-specific voices integrated directly into the video generation. Second, multi-shot narratives. A unified workflow that provides cinematic sequences in a single pass, handling camera cuts and dialogue automatically. Third is directorial physics, advanced simulation of gravity, speed, and complex object interactions. And finally, a native 4K cinematic workflow, high-definition output without needing external upscaling. Here we see extended cinematic pacing. Kling 3.0 is rumored to support native generations of up to 15 seconds. This is a massive shift, enabling creators to move away from short 5-second clips and start building fuller narrative arcs with proper pacing. Next is perhaps the most important feature for storytellers: absolute subject consistency. It utilizes an extended context window, or visual short memory. This allows the model to remember your subject across generations, preventing degradation and keeping objects stable over time. And finally, intelligent scene reasoning. This new model is expected to offer reasoning-based editing. This allows you to modify videos through natural language, meaning the AI understands the scene's context and can edit it based on your instructions. So, if these specs hold true, native 4K, 15-second continuity, and intelligent reasoning, we are looking at the single biggest leap in AI video since the original Kling release. We are finally moving away from the slot machine era of random generation and stepping into actual, controllable filmmaking. The era of the AI director isn't just a marketing slogan, it looks like the new reality. The launch is imminent, and you want to be ready the second this drops. I've put the official link to Higgsfield right at the top of the description. Go set up your account now so you aren't stuck in a queue when the floodgates open. We will be testing this the moment it goes live, so make sure you subscribe to the Midnight Lab and ring that bell, because you do not want to miss the full breakdown. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.